Hi you guys, welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, and in today's video I am going to share with you guys 3 ways to level up your next wedding or your next event. But before we get started, I would like to take the opportunity to thank today's sponsor, which is Brushy. Now, Brushy is kind of an on-the-go solution for having a fresh mouth or fresh breath. And this is perfect because it already comes with the toothpaste already included on the brush, along with the pick. And I'll show you guys the pick. It's like a 3-in-1, and then it also includes the dental floss. Now this can be easily used at a wedding or an event. I showed you guys where it could be used for a bathroom bar. It can also be easily used in your bags for your bridesmaids or your bride, in your emergency kit, and in your own personal items as you are decorating for a wedding or an event. You can also keep them in your car. You can use them on the go when you're traveling. There are a plethora of uses for it. So let me demonstrate for you really quickly how it's used. Now you may ask yourself, why isn't Melanie doing this in the bathroom? The reason I chose not to do it in the bathroom is because I wanted to demonstrate to you that it could be used on the go. And so this is something you can use in your car, at work, after lunch, if you want to freshen your breath up really quickly. If you're traveling to a country that may not have the best water source, if you're at a wedding or an event and you've had like lunch and you want to kind of freshen up before the event starts, it's perfect for that. And you don't have to use it with water. All you have to do is just brush. And it's that simple. Another reason why I love it is because, you know, you can use it with makeup and you don't have to worry about, I know when I brush my teeth, I get toothpaste on the side of my mouth, and if my makeup is already professionally done, it really irks me to mess it up. And so that's another reason why I love it. I will leave the link to Brushy down in the description box below. You guys definitely check it out. It's a great addition to your home, to your business, or to your work. So definitely check it out by using the link down in the description box below. And let's hop into today's video. So the first way to up-level your event is draping. As you guys can see, this room is fully decorated with the tables. It's missing the chairs, but there is no draping on the walls. And so draping would definitely make a huge impact in this space. So I'm going to share with you guys what this room looks like after it has been draped. Now, you don't have to do all of the crisscross designs. A simple drape will do wonders in this space. Here is what the space looks like after it has been draped and the chairs have been added to the space. And that will bring us to my second tip. After you drape a space, some rooms need draping, some don't. But if your room is one of those rooms that the design would be enhanced with draping, that would be the first place I would budget money. It would be to drape the room, whether it's a full room drape, a partial room drape, or a half wall drape. I would definitely invest in the draping. It makes a huge difference in a space. The next place that I would invest in would be chairs. Now, if you can find a venue such as this one that includes an upgraded chair, such as a Chiavari chair, it is a huge added bonus. I would go with that particular venue. But if you don't have a venue that includes upgraded chairs and the chairs don't mesh with the design that you have in mind, I would consider adding in a specialty chair. Now, you don't have to do the really over-the-top luxurious chairs. You just want a chair that is sleek and sophisticated, like a Chiavari chair, that will definitely add dimension to your room design. For example, right here, all I used was simple silver Chiavari chairs, and it up-leveled the entire design of the space. It turned out absolutely incredible. You can also add on chair caps on the back of the Chiavari chairs if you wanted to kind of highlight your focal point tables. If not, the Chiavari chairs alone are perfect. Just like in this particular design, we just have the simple Chiavari chairs. They don't even have the chair pads in it, but it still elevated the overall design of this space. And so once you get into your, whether you're doing a full room drape or a half room drape, consider adding in an elevated chair, even if it's as simple as a Chiavari chair, to up-level your overall designs. They really make a difference. A lot of times, when I'm talking about ways to up level or level up your design, I always say start with your wall. If you're draping, if your walls do not mesh, do your draping, but immediately following the draping, I would go with the chairs. I promise you, they add a huge impact to the overall look and feel of your space. So let's move on to number 3. So for number 3, I would say the dance floor. Now, dance floors have always been popular, but they have not been always been wrapped. So the wrap dance floor definitely adds a design element to your space. If you can't afford a wrap dance floor, I do have some tips that I share in Lux Academy on some budget-friendly ways to create a dance floor look. If you guys would like to join me, I will leave my link here in the video and down in the description box below. Also, you can add a gobo on a dance floor area to kind of elevate the space as well. So having that specified area for a dance floor is value added in any design, whether it's for a wedding or if it's for an event. And finally, another way to level up your events is to add an element of the unexpected. Now, in a previous video, I shared with you guys how I attract more clients by doing these unexpected things. And one of the things that I am incorporating into my business is a bathroom bar. And in this bathroom bar, I just kind of add all of the necessities I feel that would be beneficial for someone visiting the restroom at a wedding or an event. And I went through kind of all the things that I included. Among those things were perfumes, peppermints, hairpins, hair ties, Q-tips, the brushy, which I mentioned earlier on in this video, lotions, medicines, spray deodorant, scissors, along with safety pins, and the list goes on. I also have an emergency kit included as well. Now, one of you guys brought up that I misspelled bathroom. I left the O out. Thank you so much for that call out. I do have another sign printed, and so it will be spelled correctly before I add it into the restrooms at my next event. So thank you so much for that call out. And again, you guys, these are just some really cool ideas that I, come up with to incorporate something that my client doesn't really expect, but it will definitely elevate your client experience by being able to visit that bathroom bar and then also including your QR code so that they can reach out to you personally if they would like for you to design their next wedding or their next event. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit the description box for the link to Brushy along with the link to Lux Academy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a comment down in the comments below. I love communicating with my community, so I will definitely respond to your comments and any questions that you may have. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!